Hello, everyone. This is another graph, another heart sound recording we did. This is last week. This is 11/18, the date on this one, and I just want to kind of go through this just to give you an idea of what we're looking at. Okay, so if you recall from any of the other videos you may have watched on this, and if not, this should be the opposite of how that looks. So if you were to take this and just completely flip it around, that would actually look pretty normal, but it's not. So his first heart sound is much smaller than the second heart sound, and you can pretty much see that through all of it. This one's a little bit even, that one's more even there. But in most sections of the heart, it's the complete opposite. So I wanted to see what would happen if we did something to help strengthen the musculature of the heart. So we gave him something called cardiotrophin. And the cardiotrophin is basically just it's heart protein material, if you want to call it that, and that helps to strengthen the musculature of the heart. So then let me make sure I got this right. Yep, this is the one we did this week, and comparatively speaking, if you look, this is what we're trying to achieve, and this one obviously is still missing here. That was actually him moving, so I'm not worried about that. You know, that's the strength of it compared to last week. So there's a slight improvement between the two graphs. Then today I gave him something a little different. I gave him something called soybean lecithin to reduce that sound of that second heartbeat. And he even said, his cardiologist says, same thing. It's like that second sound is just hammering. And I don't know if you can't see a difference there. I mean, look at that, particularly in the mitral area. You have all of a sudden this came back, second sound started dropping off a little bit. You can even see it here. I mean, that's almost a perfect beat right there. So you could definitely see a difference between even before he took it and after he took it. I mean, that's the two differences in the graph. So the soybean lecithin just helps to get blood circulating or moving along at a much smoother, a little bit smoother rate. And that's what you're seeing with this particular one. So anyway, just want to let you guys see that. I find this fascinating, how fast this actually changes. It's pretty incredible to me. Even as I was running the test, I was like, oh my God, look at the difference there. So, I would love for it to have, to be able to help more people with this. So obviously, if you're interested, you can always give the office a call. And yeah, this is pretty exciting. This is pretty exciting stuff right now. So always remember, a well-nourished body is a happy body.